All right, so I have with you a website called as McMaster-Carr, and most of us might be knowing if you are working with product designing and product development, because this website carries most of the hardware components which we can order for our purposes. Now I've searched different screws over here. I'm planning to consider a 632 size screw for our joining between the two parts, and I've just searched screw 632. I've filtered with Torx head or the Torx drive style, and you can clearly see that the diameter of the head is around 0.262 inches. So we need to create a space over here which accommodates 0.262 inches screw. Okay, and if you're adding more clearance to it, say 0.28 should be at least the diameter present over here. Let us just look at the diameter in present form. So it's around 0.35, which is pretty good. So what I'll be doing is I can reduce the diameter or the overall size of the entire hole or the boss. So firstly I'll just create the inner hole with 0.28. okay, so this is the diameter. I'll just convert to radius, and I'll just convert this also to radius. Now I want the distance between both of them radially to be 0.5, so I'll be 0.05, so I'll be adding 0.14 plus 0.05, which is 0.19. all right, so this should be the the length of this boss. all right, and what we can do is we can try to create this try to add certain material on the top and remove the hole from the create a hole from the base. all right, and we can try to add a rib over here because this is pretty long. all right, and so I'll just press OK right now, and whatever hole what we have over here, I'll just select this hole. First of all, we need to activate this, and I'll just remove it. Change the direction, so it's a hole right now. all right, and I need to close this from the top, so I'll add an extrude. Extrude references, select this, create a circle, and go deeper, say 0.5 inches. Activate. So this is how it looks like. You'll be inserting your screw from the base, and it goes up to this position. You'll be adding a hole over here, obviously, that mates the boss hole which is in the cover motor. all right, now I'll be creating a similar shape for the other two features by pausing the video, and you can do the same in your computer. okay, so I've created the sketches, 3 sketches. I'll click on references and ensure that I'm not carrying any references from other components. all right, so I've just pressed OK. I got this extrude done. I'll go to the next step. The next step was creating hole, so I'll just edit it and hide the motor cover and click on references so that I have the exact location of the circle. Press OK. The holes are created. Come back again to extrude number 5, click edit, go back to references, add circular references, click on circle, select the entire loop, press OK, and the distance is set to be 0.5. now that we have created the circles, let us try to create ribs over here which connects with the bosses which we have created. So activate the the base, click on extrude, select the surface, and draw a center line over here first. Create a rectangle, just join it with the rib. Ensure that the diameter of this is 0.1. Press OK and change the direction to next surface. click on edit, do the same practice for, you know, the other two holes or other two bosses. In this case I need to select the slanted rectangle. Distance should be 0.1. This is not symmetric. Ensure that the rectangle edge is symmetric on both the sides. Let me check the symmetry. If it's symmetric, press OK. So you've created kind of support for this, and if you like you can add another support, maybe, you know, in continuation with the same. Let us try to create another rib with the help of trajectory rib and see whether it works or no. So I'll be creating on this surface. Yep, so this is most easiest way. Alright, so I'm just adding this to create additional supports for this base what we have created. Alright, so I'll take a pause over here and press Ctrl S, and let us move forward to the next step.